How many times do you want me to tell you that you take your husband to get tested? Eh? If your son is having TB, then it's most likely your husband gets it.
Anna, TB is dangerous. If Josiah has it and does not get treated, well, it could get serious. So get Josiah treated and stop making excuses for being lazy.
He won't go. No, let me copy this before maternity.
Anna, you are only cheating yourself. Are you going to be coping when you're trying to work out how to invest your Uchi income? Let me tell you, my dear, if I catch you cheating again, I will have no choice but to ask you to leave these classes.
Hey!
Now, yesterday, I gave all of you an assignment to write an essay. Cheryl, yours was terrific. You keep improving by the day. Mama Mboga, yours was not so bad.
What do you mean not so bad, eh? And tomorrow I'm going to deliver this speech.
Then give up now, or else face being laughed out of town.
Anna should just take that husband of hers to hospital before, eh? We don't know what kind of disease he's throwing to us.
Mama Mboka, I'm sorry I'm late. I didn't sleep well last night.
Yeah, no wonder your husband's coughing like that. You know what? I'm just going to get somebody to sell this with you.
Hey, no, it is nothing. It's just a cold, not like Tomasi. But I'm as healthy as an ox.
And why is he not working? Ama has taken over Mama Pima's job at the bar.
Oh, well, what do you mean the bar? Did you see him go inside?
Sindio.
Just drink up and leave. You're scaring the customers away. And take that glass with you. I'm not touching it.
Josiah, what's going on?
Hey, woman, leave me alone.
Josiah, we don't have money for rent. You haven't worked for weeks.
Woman, you're disturbing me. Let me drink in peace. Go before I beat you up.
But Josiah, you're sick. You need to go to the health clinic and get tested. As Dr. Charles said, you need some medicine.
You mean you have money for medicine?
No, but medicine for tuberculosis is free. If you're scared to go, I can take you.
What are you saying? I'm scared of the doctor, is that it?
But you're coughing up blood, I can see it.
One more word from you and I'll beat you up right here.
All right. The drink's on me. Yes.
Your husband is such a good man, teaching us all for free. We are so lucky to have him.
Yes, we are.
And the way he's helped Cheryl even during his work days, like just now.
What do you mean?
I saw them going to the internet cafe. He must be teaching how to operate those machines. You must be really proud of him.
Yes, I am.
Some people wouldn't let their husbands spend so much time with other women. But you have a good relationship. You have nothing to worry about.
No?
I mean, it is not like he spends so much time with Snake and yet...
Speedy?
I hope to have a marriage like that, one that is just about love and trust.
Speedy, I have work to do. Hebu niondoke?
Some...
Talk up. Hebu, talk up.
Why are you jumping like that? To run for 20 shillings.
Just keep it. You'll need each and every coin you have.
What's wrong with you? Don't you want my money? Chinga.
Funerals are expensive, Josiah, especially if you have to transport the body.
What are you talking about?
You try and get each and every coin you have, then travel up country and wait for your hour. That way, it will be less expensive for your Uji selling wife.
Are you mad? I'm not going anywhere.
That's what my cousin used to say before. It can't be cured.
What?
God is the first sign. I know it. Trust me. I've seen it before.
First sign of what?
Death.
Hey, Snake, would you like some... We don't want any Uji ever.
So, this is our barber. Yes. We recently refurbished our barber.
He chose the color. I wanted more of...
Would you like some Uji?
No. Keep away from our barber shop.
We are not hungry. Today everyone is acting so strange. You don't ask me for money. I haven't sold even 1 cup of uchi.
I'm here hiding from Mama Mpoka. Josiah, who did this? Was it Thomas?
No, I did.
Why?
Did you ask me, you murderer? It's all you're doing.
Huh?
You have killed me. You have killed both of us.
It's Josiah! He's gone mad! Daktari!
You're not going to stop me from selling my things and enjoying my days.
You are not going to... Don't go back, for you've never bought anything. These are Anna's things, and we're not going to let you go with them.
Margaret, when this is important, you can't even help me.
What is this about Botsi hour?
Let me go in peace.
You're not going with Anna's things over our dead body.
You are the one who helped Anna get other men. I know it's you, Margaret. I now have it.
What is going on here? He wants to sell Anna's things.
Get away from me, Richifu. Get away. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me, Richifu. Thank you, nurse. Should have brought him down here as soon as we learned that Thomas has tuberculosis. With his cough, it's very likely that Josiah has tuberculosis too. It's been foolish not to come down here. How long has he been coughing?
He came home about 3 weeks ago with it. He hasn't worked ever since. The children and I don't sleep well at night.
Have you noticed any blood?
How did you know? I didn't want to talk about that. You see, Daktari, when I saw blood, I knew there must be a bad spirit taking his blood. He must have annoyed someone at work. You know him, he can be very funny at times. But deep down inside, he's a very nice man.
Anna, there's no such thing. Now tell me, does he sweat at night, have difficulty breathing, and does he complain of chest pains?
He doesn't talk much, so I haven't heard him talk about any pain. But yes, he sweats a lot, especially at night. I don't know about his breathing, but he keeps on saying how tired he is, and he seems to have lost his appetite for food.
From your description of the symptoms, it seems likely that he's having tuberculosis. But I have to run some urgent tests. It's a pity he didn't come to the health center sooner.
I tried, Daktari, but he wouldn't listen.
Oh my God. I'm in a mortuary. Josiah, the sputum test I took on you makes me fairly certain that you got tuberculosis. Oh no, so now I'm going to die. No, TB can be cured, but you got to take the medication exactly as I prescribe it. Not taking a medication correctly can be very serious.
But that means I have HIV.
Why do you say that?
Snake told me that his cousin had my cough and he died. Everyone with TB has HIV.
No, that is not true. And Snake is a butcher, not a doctor. Yes, it's true that tuberculosis is one of the illnesses that is associated with HIV. People with HIV sometimes have TB, as they have low immunity. However, you can also have TB and not be HIV positive. That is why I recommended that you took the HIV test, as we spoke earlier.
So, you have the results?
Yes. Would you like me to cancel you and then tell you the results in private?
No, no. I'm happy Anna is here. Please, just tell me.
Josiah, you tested negative.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much.
You are very wise and brave to take the test. When we suspect that somebody has TB, we recommend that they go for a HIV test. And when someone is HIV positive, we also suggest a TB test, as the two illnesses are closely associated.
But HIV is not curable. How sure are you TB is?
TB is. So long as you take your medication correctly, you can be cured of TB.
And I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so sorry for all the things I said to you.
It's okay. Daktari, you said that TB is catching. If my husband and son have it, does that mean I have it too?
You and the family should come to the clinic for tests.
So how do I cure this TB?
Same way as you're curing Thomas. The drugs are free, and you take them for a period of 6 months. We have a plan where the patient gets a treatment supporter who monitors that the drugs are taken correctly. They also encourage the patient to finish the full course of the drugs and helps in case of side effects.
You mean the drugs are harmful?
No, the drugs are essential in stopping TB.
Can I be his treatment supporter? I know what to do because of looking after Tomasi. And because of Matano's classes, I know how to count the pills properly.
That's a good idea. And next time you are sick, Josiah, please come to the health center. If you had done that, you'd have picked up this weeks ago and spread the word around. Tell everybody that if anyone has a persistent cough for more than 3 weeks, they should come to the health center for TB checks.
I'm sorry, it was stupid of me.
It's okay. I'll help you through this. But you must promise me one thing. No more drinking in that bar.
I promise. Never again. I'll be a perfect husband from now on.